Hello everyone, welcome to Peterson Restorations YouTube channel. Today I'm just going to be showing you a little bit of the progress on the 67 Fastback I've been working on. It is a 67, it's an A-code. It was originally a 289 automatic car. I'm just fixing all the rust on it. So I'm just going to do a little bit of a walk around, describe some of the parts, what parts I used, just show you some of the ins and outs of it. This car will be for sale whenever I'm done with it. Should be about a week, maybe a week and a half, and I'll have it done. If you follow me on social media, I'm on Instagram all the time posting pictures and updates on this, and you'll be able to see exactly when I have it for sale. So be sure to check that out and enjoy the video. Now, as you can see from that quick little walk around video, a lot of this metal is new on this car, and I've done full panels. It's got floor pans, full quarters, doors. It'll have fenders, new fenders on it. The hood will be original. I happen to have an original hood that's nice. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll do another follow-up on this whenever I have it all done. I'll have it outside. I'll do a whole walk around on it. It'll be a nice video. I'll break down some of the panels that I actually used, and some panels I use Dynacorn, some panels I don't. There is a difference in some of them. I'll break that down. That'll be another future video I'll do on which metal I prefer on some of it. But if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button and follow along for future videos. I'm going to be posting a good bit more on here, and just follow along. And I'll see you guys next time. Enjoy the day.